name is Vareda Mollad. My story name is A Thirsty Crow. It was summer and the day was very hot. A thirsty crow looked for water here and there, but he could not find any water. At last, he saw a pot with very little water inside. He thought of a plan. He picked up the stone found nearby, dropped into the pot. One by one, the water never rose. The crow drank water and flew the waves happily. Moral of the story: we should use our